What's up, y'all? Y'all can see that. I know sometimes it's good to get out of LA because it gets overwhelming. Usually I go to Malibu, but even then I feel like it's so close. Hopefully y'all can see me. So I'm just here relaxing with my little brother. Just hanging out, trying to do a little vlog. Got my hot mess bun up. I think I can see some people up there, can you? No. So let me show y'all around what is going on. Hold on, let me show y'all in a second. If y'all see all this, it's all beautiful out here. Malibu's nice too, but it's nice just to get away. So we're in Santa Barbara right now. Oh, that's what I thought there was two people. Those trees. I'm so stupid. Just here, just relaxing. Hanging out with the water. I try to get close by. If y'all live out here, it's beautiful. I'm about to go and have dinner with my brother. I had to get out of LA just for the day and relax. Get a little close for y'all. Y'all see this? Look, it's pretty. Nice and calm and relaxing. So hang out. See what's poppin'. It's a beautiful area to come hang out. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall. So I've been to Santa Barbara a couple times. I swear I'm gonna fall and bust my ass and look stupid afterwards in front of these people. Cause look, it's just bumpy. Still beautiful though. Oh shit. And of course my ass brought my Yeezys. Okay, see that? And I just got him clean. They're gonna be all hot mess. At least I look cute though. And a little makeup. Y'all can see my highlight? That's Opal Liquid from Becca. And then I have a little bit of Guerlain foundation on. Lingerie, 3N. Trying to look cute. You know? So, yeah. So I've been having some time off. I've just been relaxing and just chilling. Looking pretty. And then I'm gonna go out to eat. Maybe have a cocktail later, so I'll be back. Enjoy this little moment of the view of the sunset going down. Kind of. Sun's still a little up, but you know, it's getting there. So, you guys see that? Ain't that pretty? Yeah. Girl, good lighting for that highlight. Alright. So let me keep walking. I'm going to show you some more little clips. And then I'm going to go and have dinner afterwards. Love y'all. Recording or no?
It is.
Live. Watch it. Alright. I'm hungry now. Y'all. Oh my god, can y'all see me? Shit. There you go. The daddies are out. There's some nice homes outside the... Is it a cliff, right? Yeah? Yeah. There's some money out here. Maybe I should move. Because the one in Beverly Hills, they're lame as shit. Maybe they're more nicer out here. But now we're on our way to eat. Not sure exactly where we're going.
McDonald's.
We're going to McDonald's. This is a restaurant, so there's my 5-star right there. So that should be exciting. I'll show you what I get from Mickey D's. I'm just playing. We're really trying to figure out where we're going to go and eat. So what? Oh, the dog. So maybe hopefully I'll find a sugar daddy at McDonald's. We'll see.
Or a crackhead.
Or a crackhead. Who knows?
And it did in the moment. Are you gonna fucking walk?
Am I walking now? Let him live. Oh, there's a car coming. Gonna bust my stupid ass. Get ran over. Look, they got cops communication.
How the fuck you focus on this shit?
Is it me? Can I call?
Hold up. Go be free now.
Let me go and get hit by a car. No, but did I say there's a Cox communication? I thought that shit was only in Virginia. And here I go. Bust my ass. Oh my god, where are we going now? Get your ass up.
Careful, there's a car coming.
Woo! Right. Come out.
How do you fucking focus on this?
Okay, so I'm not gonna get him on camera, but I don't know if you guys can see there's like a red van. There is a daddy in there. Get me in trouble in Santa Barbara. Let me stop. See y'all, there are people out here with money. I don't know if y'all can see this, but if y'all can see that little Spanish house, that's where my man lives. Ain't this pretty? Okay, so we're out here getting lost somewhere. I don't know where we're at, but there's some houses, y'all. Let me get on Grindr. Maybe the daddies are out, girl. Ooh. Talking about Grindr, look at that. Hitting the bitch up already. Hopefully it's 97 with the heart condition.
It's fucking houses, yo.
Ah, look, y'all. Hold on. Let me turn this camera around for y'all so y'all can see this. Listen, this is all a little rough, but the mansions are in there. There's your daddy right there. See some mansions out here, y'all. Let's see. Look at the trees. Aren't they so pretty? Shit. Must be nice. Little gate right there. I have gates too, but I don't look that pretty. Look at the horse. On my way to my house. That's where I store the mayonnaise. That's all I bought it for.
Oh, we're home.
And we're home, y'all.
I get shot.
Stop fine. Look at that.
We have like a little ranch.
Ain't this cute? Do y'all see that cloud? Ain't that pretty? Kind of looks like one of those whales. What are they called? I don't know, one of those big ass whales. The shit you find out here. Oh, little brother's driving, by the way. Say hello.
Fuck off.
Baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive. So we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind.
Okay, so this is where we're going. How do you pronounce it? I don't fucking know, but that's what we're reading. Ain't this cute? Alright, let's see what's poppin'. Y'all said they brought us to the back, so nobody can see us because we know we're VIP. I don't like people to know I'm in here. No, I'm just playing. So they brought the bread out. Oh my god, it's so bomb. Now I don't know what to eat. But a bitch is hungry. Ooh. That I can taste. You can tell the little percentage going on in there that's pretty good. Alright, y'all, so my brother's food arrived.
Oh, fuck, there goes my spoon.
What you get? What you get? What you get?
Fucking no pasta.
I got pasta. And then I got my chicken parmesan. I'll let you know what I think in a second. Let's see. Is it good or not? So I got chicken parmesan. Get a little bit of the pasta. It's like a mukbang. Let's see, is it good? Dude, you gotta try this. It's good. I'm gonna try some of my brother's chicken. I mean, some of my brother's pasta. What'd you get? Shrimp? Let me get a piece of shrimp. Let's see. I give up. Let's try a piece of shrimp. Oh my god. That's some really good shrimp.
I never expected to check out that much time.
Oh yeah, I'm full. Oh my god, thank you. Ooh. Alright, we're just finishing up. I'm out here looking a mess. That's fine. Stop drinking. Alright, so my brother said he was inviting me for dinner. How's it going?
You know how earlier you were talking about you gonna pull money out of your 401k?
Yeah.
Can you do that right now?
And then off to our next adventure. We're gonna go to Beyonce's house. Yes, we are. We're going to Beyonce's. We're gonna be famous. They all drinking. Man, drop dead any minute. Alright, y'all, we're leaving now. It was bomb.com. Oh my god, look at the trees. Here in Santa Barbara. Grinder's still popping. Waiting for the daddies to come out. I don't know. It's a little cold because we're close to the ocean. Literally next to the ocean, so. So we're inside Forever 21 right now. And I used to work at Forever 21. And the funny thing is, there's a girl at the window, literally sitting down like with her legs crossed and everything on her phone.
That's the floor manager.
That's the floor manager. I was like, bitch, I wasn't able to do that when I worked at Forever 21. This shit is huge. And it goes up. We're on our way back home to Vegas. Wow, I look like shit. Hold on. There you go. Did I say Vegas?
Yeah.
We're going back to Los Angeles, back to Hollywood. I got my hot fries and my Sprite. Bitch about to be chilling and taking shits later. Alright, y'all, so leave it for my brother to find out where Beyonce's house is. We're on our way. I'm gonna go and say hi. See if she wants to hang out. Maybe have a kiki. You know, a little glass of wine. Or something. Oh my god, stop. Where are we? In Beverly Hills? This is Bel Air.
I don't fucking know these areas.
I don't know, but we're somewhere, y'all, driving to go and see the Queen Bee. I'm excited. I'm like, girl, stop playing. Let a girl in. Say hi. Oh my god. This is crazy. It's funny because I'm always joking with my brother. I'm like, where are we going? Are we going to Beyonce's house? Well, this time we are. We're actually going to Beyonce's house. I'm gonna go and say hi. I'll let y'all know what she smells like. It's the actual house. Oh my god. This is crazy. Just gonna say hi. No, damn well they're not gonna let me in. Oh. She had to drive through this little thing? I'm not gonna show y'all just for like where we're driving for, I guess, for privacy, but it's let me see if I can show y'all this. Hold on, stop. Do y'all see how sketchy this is? That's our house. Is that our house? Yo, that's Beyonce's house. Y'all see that light? Her house is right there.
Fuck.
What? Are those cameras?
Yep.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Where's the main gate? Like that main gate that she has?
I don't know, I can't see shit backing up.
I think it's on the other side. Hold on, let me turn this around. See how sketchy this looks, y'all? The little pine trees. Hold on. Turn this back to me. Oh my god, I can see her house. I'm gonna turn off these lights so she can't see me. Oh my god, now y'all can't see me. Where's my phone? Give me a second, y'all. I got my phone. Oh, that's the gate. Is that the gate to her house?
No, that's another house.
Oh. Y'all is gonna be.
I can find it. This is literally like right.
It's literally like we're literally at Beyonce's house.
But it's this street here. It's in there.
Where is it?
Straight ahead up that hill.
That's hers?
Yep.
Oh my god. Y'all, so entrance. Is that it? This one?
Yeah. That's it.
That's Beyonce's entrance, y'all. Let me just breathe. Oh my god. Oh, there is. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Holy shit. Let me just have a moment.
That was entrance.
Hold on, you guys. I know y'all see the dark right now. Hear my voice. This is how I end my trip, y'all. Go say hi to Beyonce real quick, kind of. Listen, I'm literally at her driveway. That's crazy. There is mad cameras for security, of course. I mean, it's the Queen Bee. And it's not like it's like a gated community. It's just like, sorry, it's just like out and about. So, I can kind of smell her presence. So that's fine with me. So that's the end of my trip. We got to see Beyonce's gate, which is enough for me. Y'all can Google her house. Y'all can see what it looks like. It's public, but not so much her address. I don't know, but my brother was able to find it. So it's funny because we drove in these streets so many times, and I was passing Beyonce's house all this damn time. So yes, I love y'all. That was just my crazy fun day today.
That's my birthday gift to you.
That's my brother's birthday gift to me. I got to go to, because I'm always like, let's go to Beyonce's house. And he's like, what? And he's like, you're always like rolling his eyes. Well, this time I was like, well, let's go to Beyonce's house. He's like, alright, I know where she lives. So I'm like, perfect. So, ooh, there's some mansions out here, y'all. I'll be living here soon. Beyonce, get ready, girl. I'll be coming over for some sugar, you know, or some tea. Any kind of tea, girl. Alright, y'all, I'm out. I'm on my way home. Gonna relax, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and to the next video. I'll see y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.